Many new users to 3D Coat will oftentimes ask what's the closest equivalent to polygroups in ZBrush. Here in the sculpt environment, the closest thing to it would be the split tool. What it's going to do is allow you to make a selection of a part to separate onto its own individual layer. Let's go ahead and separate this head and neck area from the rest of the body. The split tool resides in the objects section of your tool panel. We then want to choose the most appropriate selection marquee from the E panel here. Let's try the polygonal lasso. Now you'll notice here in the Voxtree layer panel, it made a child layer of the selection. I can double click it now, name it head. If I want to make this independent, then there are a couple different ways I could do it. I could right click on it and choose change parent. So I'll choose root. Another way that you could do it is you could come to the right side. When you see the little move icon, you can just drag that outside of the parent and it will now be completely independent. Now I can hide the rest of the body and the head. One thing I should mention is you have a split border width, which is by default 2.5. Now this may be a little bit too much overlap for your liking, but if you want there to be no overlapping at all, then you would reduce it down to 0 or just a slight value above that. I'll go ahead and select this other shader, and you can see it really doesn't seem to be very noticeable at all. And this also works the same way when you're in surface mode. So that's a quick look at using the split tool in 3D Coat. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.